Well, I am happy to share that the materials required for this course are all open source or available through the Henry Madden Library digitally, so there are no textbooks to purchase for this course. You're going to want to read through the list of technical skills and other skills required for succeeding in an online course here in the syllabus. Take a minute to pause and read them. And then I would like to talk briefly about assignments. The majority of the points in this course come from weekly participation, and there are two larger projects, the program evaluation plan and test instrument analysis, for a total of 500 points. In this course, you must complete all of the assignments to complete the course. I will not be giving any incompletes, so you need to make sure that you keep up on the course. And if we scroll down a little bit more, I do have a late assignment policy in place saying that assignments must be completed by the due date, that points can be deducted if they are late, and that I can reserve the right to not accept late assignments. This is mostly to protect me from students who may submit an entire semester's worth of work during the last week of class. In practical application, I do not deduct points for late work, but I do reserve that right. Another issue I would like to point out is plagiarism detection. We will talk about plagiarism, but we do use the Turnitin plagiarism detector, so you're going to want to make sure to cite your sources and paraphrase and summarize appropriately.